May lemon tree. May lemon tree. Calamansi, lemon. Lemon, oranges, lemon tree. This one I plant the stem, and look, it's growing. This one is a stem. It was a stem. Now it's growing. Beautiful. So lemon tree. I have here lemon tree. They're growing. So in winter, I have to move them, take them in. And I have show you something. Yang manang nag-survey. Manang survey. I have lemon tree, and also I have pomelo. This is pomelo tree. Pomelo. And I have orange. So all that is liso lang yan, seed. So I saved it. And there's more and more. So in winter I take them inside. So this one is bigger now, bigger. This one is pomelo. This one is lemon, pomelo. And the cherry tomatoes growing. I harvest already a couple times. And I have my papaya. Papaya, I can take that inside. And guess what? I have eggplant. Eggplant na ako. One and only. And I have more lemon tree. The lemon grows good. So hopefully next year it will grow. And I have pepper, green pepper bell, and tomatoes. This is Italian tomatoes. So liso lang yan, seeds. The Italian seeds of tomato. I just plant it and then it's grow so big. Then I have more. Lemon tree. And tomatoes. Italian tomatoes. Romana Italian tomatoes. Thank you for watching.